our teacher, our past teacher, Mr. Flores, he got rewarded lots of money in recognition of his teaching.
Yeah, honestly, it was just a total surprise for us. We got the emails from our principal, Mr. Cranston, saying that there was going to be an assembly, and because it is the week before finals week, we thought it was going to be more of a mental health thing, and so we just showed up without like really any expectations of, our teacher receiving such a prestigious award.
I was so happy for him because all the hard work and dedication he does, especially with non-fluent students, he helps them, and it's just like it amazes me of how he does that.
For me, it was also just like a huge congratulations moment because luckily he was my teacher for freshman year for English 9. And not only having such a young but also bilingual teacher that I could connect with also helped build up that trust relation that I have with him right now.
I feel like recognizing a teacher is really important because they don't like get recognized a lot, and of all the hard work they do, all the students they put up with, all the bad ones especially. I know being in classes, like students haven't been the best, so I feel like teachers doing that day through day, making plans to teach us. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just mainly the huge time sacrifice that they have to go through. Um, like right now, we witnessed him calling his girlfriend, and honestly, she didn't know, but he didn't know as well. And seeing him also break down into tears just from like, the wave of appreciation that he probably just felt right now. Um, and Mr. Flores is a wonderful teacher, but it's also important to recognize every other teacher out there that also go through those same sacrifices that, you know, are probably like building up off of a backstory that no one knows about.
Very proud of how far you come. I've known you for about 3 years, and just to see how much he's like grown and like how he teaches, especially how he teaches, is just like a different kind of way, and how he connects with his students is wonderful.
For me, Mr. Flores, I just thank you for being one of the first teachers that I met out in my high school years, and I appreciate you how you can just relate to students, how you can also care for students and ask if we're doing okay mentally and academically. And well, mucho éxito, profe. You're really appreciated here at the school.